In this clean and green city of India, due to rising population, the number of slum dwellers rising in Indian cities. Slums area always lack by some basic necessities of life, clean water, electricity and sanitation. The inhabitants are mostly rickshaw pullers, sex workers, seasonal small vendors, housemaid servants with a family income ranging from a major 1500 to 3000. After a hard and low earning working day, most of the men spend their daily earnings on homemade liquor. Status of women in slum is not respectful. They use it to do prostitution to fulfill their basic needs to survive. The slum population is constantly increasing. It has doubled in the past 2 decades. The current population living in the slums is in the country is more than the population of Britain. Now we will see what are the top 10 slum areas in India. First one is Dharvi slum, Mumbai. Mumbai, the dream city, holds the biggest slum area in India, known as Dharvi. Asia's largest slum, Dharvi, is spread over an area of 1.75 kilometers along the Mahim River in central Mumbai. Dharvi is just one of many slum areas in the city of Mumbai. Next one, Baliswa slum, Delhi. In the heart, in the heart of the India, the slum population was considered as 20% of the total population of Delhi. It also has largest child labors. These slums tend to bank of river Yamuna. Slum dwellers from various parts of the Delhi have been resettled to Balaswa. Delhi government is thinking to launch a survey to prepare a database of slum dwellers in the city to help them. Delhi has become one of the most unsafe Indian city for women due to the large population and crimes. Nojkuppam slum, Chennai. The city of flavors has Nojkuppam slum with 1300 huts where around 5000 people live below poverty line and they do not have enough money for 2 meals a day. Basanti slum, Kolkata. The city of joy, Kolkata has slum area known as Basanti slum. It is one of the major slum area in Kolkata. One third of Kolkata's population lived in 2011 registered and 3,500 unregistered slums. Rajendra Nagar slum, Bangalore. The garden city Bangalore alone holds 570 slums from total of around 2000 slums in the state. It is estimated that about 20% of Bangalore population reside in slums. The families living in the slum area are not ready to move into the temporary shelters, saying it is unjust and risky to live under a flyover. As per the largest comments from people of Bangalore, Rajendra Nagar slum does not exist now. All the slum dwellers has been rehabilitated. Indirama Nagar, Hyderabad. The city of Nizam, around 6,24,689 people live in the slum area of Hyderabad. There is a very little land available for all the people living the 104 identified and 24 unidentified slums in Hyderabad. Sarojnagar slum, Nagpur. The Orange City, Nagpur has 424 legal slum areas. Sarojini Nagar is just one of the 424 slums in the city. In Nagpur, approximately 40% of the population live in slums. These slums area home to over 1,42,000 people and cover about 1,600 hectares of the prime land. Due to struggle for land in Maharashtra, it was making second largest slum area in Nagpur after Dharavi, Mumbai. Next, Mahabubpur slum, Lucknow. The city of Nawabs, Lucknow's population includes large number of poor people, many of who live in slums. 20,000 persons living in 22 of the 460 slums in Lucknow city. Many people are migrated Lucknow city from the different parts of the nearest district for daily wages. Satnami Nagar slum, Bhopal. The city of lakhs, Bhopal has many slums area. Satnami Nagar is one of the oldest slums in Bhopal. Rahul Nagar and Shanti Nagar are first two slums area in Bhopal to be declared open defecation. Peoples of Bhopal live on streets and these slums provide them shelter and other facilities to survive. And lastly, Parivartan slum, Ahmedabad. Approximately 4,40,000 people live in the slums within the city. Ahmedabad is home to a large population of poor peoples living on the river banks. Riverside slums in Ahmedabad are about 40 years old. And finally, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you found useful. Thank you.